Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Google Translate. And in this video, I'm going to explain some of the new features that you can use right now in your Google Translate or for free. Let me show you how. First thing first, open up your Google Translate. Have you opened up your Google Translate? Let's say we want to translate from English to this Chinese right here. Okay, and I come to the top right here. I decide to type in hello, how. Let's say how. And when I type in how, then I have the result in different format right here. Then I have it in Chinese character. I have it to be adverb. And at the same time, we can scroll down right here and get more way by which you can use how, however, how, why. So this is a form of abbreviation dictionary that you have right here, and the definition of how has been explained in different contexts right here from the bottom right here. This is one of the incredible new features that has been added to Google Translate. Let's go ahead and go back to the Google Translate right here. So right here from the home page, there are few things that has been added. If you click on conversation, click on here, then you have so many different languages right here. And one more interesting tools right here is that it allows two speaker. Now if you click on here, you have double speaker, as the case may be. You have speaker 1 and speaker 2, which you can use this to communicate in English, while you listen to communicate with this in Chinese. This is a new incredible tools that was added in your Google Translate. So let's go back to the Translate homepage right now. So by the time we come to the top right here and we click on our camera icon, you see some of the new feature settings right here. Then we go ahead and we'll click on settings right here. Then you have some of the tools right here, like you can click on region right here for your voiceover. So click on region. This will allow you to choose other country languages right here. So at the time of making this video, number of languages here are very much limited, but in future, we want to believe that Google is going to add more regional languages right here. So let's go back. Then here you can control how you speak, which is you want to slow or slower, or you want it to be normal speak. Then speech input right here, make sure this is turned on. Then you have your manage activity right here. So let's quickly go back right here. Then from home page right here, you have a new redesign of your Google Lens. If you click on the camera right here, this will allow you to make use of image search or Google as Google Lens right here. You can click on here to choose your language that you want to translate into. I can decide to use Chinese tradition and automatically translate into English. And I click on here, then I'll go ahead and make sure I select my screenshot in Chinese character right here. Then it's going to automatically translate to whatever language I choose. If I click on English right here and I decide to choose this particular language, let's see. So it has been successfully converted to the language as the case may be. Click on here again, then switch back to English. And in a few seconds, it's taking me back to English. It's that simple. So this is some of the new incredible features in your Google Translate app. For more tutorial, tips and tricks on how best to use your Google Translate app, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.